The process begins with the raw gold ore being fed into the primary crusher, where massive jaws break the rock down into smaller pieces.
The cone crusher reduces the ore to about 2 to 5 centimeters before it's moved by conveyor towards the grinding stage.
After exiting the ball mill, the ore, now the consistency of smooth paint, is pumped to the cyclones.
The fine slurry is now ready for leaching. But first, a sample is taken to ensure the grinding process is complete.
The fine gold ore slurry flows into this massive agitated leach tank. Here, a cyanide solution is added.
The leached slurry, now called pregnant pulp, is pumped to a series of thickeners. The slurry enters the center well, where the solids begin to settle.
Here we see the gold-bearing liquid, known as pregnant solution, being separated from the waste rock solids.
As the solution percolates through the activated carbon, the gold molecules bond to the surface, loading the carbon.
Confirmed. The carbon is loaded with sufficient gold content.
A hot concentrated solution of caustic soda and cyanide is circulated through the carbon, causing the gold molecule.
The concentrated gold strip solution is pumped into a rectangular electrowinning cell.
In this time lapse, the electrowinning process causes gold to deposit onto the steel wool cathode.
The molten Doré bar slowly transitions from a glowing liquid to a solid, dull metallic state as it cools in the mold. The heavy 25-kilogram Doré bar is released from the mold, revealing the rough texture before it is shipped to the refinery.
To ensure purity, a small sample is drilled from the bar and collected in the tray for laboratory analysis.
Inside the furnace, the mixture fuses. Gold and lead separate into a metallic button at the bottom, with impurities forming a glassy slag.
After the pour, the slag is carefully hammered off, revealing the small, silvery button containing the precious metal, ready for cupellation.
The glowing gold prill is carefully removed from the cupel. It rapidly cools to a brilliant yellow.
The assay and weight data are now permanently marked on the bar using a pneumatic stamp, ensuring traceability during the refinement process.
The Doré bar begins its final refining journey.
Here inside the cell, an electric current refines the ore. Gold plates onto the cathode, while impurities form the anode slime.
Inside the 24K gold factory, how mining ore is refined into gold bars. The 24K gold cathode is harvested.
The cooled bars are carefully demolded, sliding out onto the green felt. They retain a slight cast texture, but the shine is brilliant.
The hydraulic press applies immense pressure, cleanly imprinting the 999.9 purity, the brand logo, and the exact weight of 1 kilogram.
Once sealed with the holographic tamper-proof sticker, the gold is ready for high-security storage or shipment.
The final 24-karat gold bar is now logged and securely stored in the vault, ready for shipment.
The final product, a pristine kilogram of 9999.9 pure gold, representing the pinnacle of the